In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to properly cut down a tree with the KX-Treeshear. Start by placing the tree shear at the base of the tree, so that it remains on the left side of the grapple, between the blade and the jaw, as by the view from the cockpit. Make sure the blade is at a 90-degree angle to the tree. After that, squeeze the jaws to the closed position. The jaws will press the tree against the blade, and the tree breaks, being compressed in the space between the jaws and the trunk of the tree shear. With larger and harder wood, it is good to press the grapple slightly against the tree, so that it will remain in the armpit of the jaw, where the best cutting power is achieved. After cutting, the tree can be stacked by moving it to the desired location, parallel to the ground, and by opening the jaws. We recommend shortening the trees only on the ground, as it reduces the risk of falling tree parts and speeds up the work. The KX-Treeshear can also be used for loading, thanks to the easily removable blade. You can find a tutorial with steps to remove the blade on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.